Discover a treasure trove of makeup wisdom in our latest video. Expert advice on foundations, setting sprays, and powders awaits you. Let beauty professionals guide you with their top recommendations for a flawless look. Please don't skip and watch till end to get the expert advice from every aspect. Welcome, viewers. Today, we're diving into makeup tips tailored specifically for women over 40. As we embrace the beauty of aging gracefully, I'll be sharing expert advice on skin care, foundation choices, eye makeup techniques, and more to enhance your natural beauty and confidence at any age. Let's get started. As we age past 40, our skin undergoes various changes that necessitate adjustments in makeup techniques. Firstly, skincare preparation. Prioritizing skincare before makeup is crucial, especially for mature skin. A well-hydrated and nourished canvas ensures makeup applies smoothly and lasts longer. Proper skincare addresses concerns like dryness, fine lines, and uneven texture, laying the foundation for a flawless makeup look that enhances your natural beauty at any age. Here are some recommendations. Rinse cleanser. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides to help maintain moisture levels. 2. Exfoliator. Choose products containing alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta hydroxy acids, BHAs, to reveal smoother, brighter skin. 3. Serum. Invest in a serum enriched with potent anti-aging ingredients such as retinol, vitamin C, or peptides. 4. Moisturizer. Look for formulas with ingredients like shea butter, squalane, or niacinamide to provide long-lasting hydration and improve skin elasticity. 5. Sunscreen. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Consider a tinted sunscreen for added coverage and a natural-looking finish. 6. Primer. Silicone-based primers can help minimize the appearance of pores and create a flawless canvas for makeup application. Foundation and concealer. Here are 5 of the best foundation options for mature skin with lightweight formulas and dewy finishes. 1. L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. Specifically designed for mature skin, this foundation offers lightweight, buildable coverage with a radiant finish. Infused with SPF 50, it helps protect the skin from sun damage while providing a luminous glow. 2. Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. This hydrating foundation is ideal for mature skin, offering a dewy finish that leaves the complexion looking refreshed and radiant. 3. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint formulated with hyaluronic acid. This foundation provides lightweight coverage with a dewy, hydrated finish. It plumps and moisturizes the skin, giving it a healthy, youthful glow without settling into fine lines. 4. It cosmetics your skin, but better CCX Cream Illumination. More than just a foundation, this CC cream provides color correction, hydration, and sun protection with SPF 50X. It has a lightweight formula with a dewy finish that leaves the skin looking luminous and flawless. 5. Physicians Formula Organic Wear Dewy Foundation. This organic foundation is enriched with nourishing ingredients like jojoba oil, aloe vera, and coconut oil to hydrate and condition mature skin. It offers buildable coverage with a dewy finish, giving the complexion a natural, radiant glow. For mature skin, apply foundation sparingly with a damp sponge or brush, focusing on areas with fine lines. Use a lightweight, hydrating formula to avoid settling into wrinkles. Dab concealer only where needed, gently blending with fingertips to camouflage imperfections without emphasizing texture. Finish with a setting powder for a smooth, natural-looking finish. Eye makeup. Start with a neutral eyeshadow base. Apply a soft matte shade in the crease for definition. Line the upper lash line with a thin stroke of eyeliner. Finish with mascara to open up the eyes. Keep it subtle and sophisticated for a timeless appearance. Whether thick or thin, well-maintained eyebrows contribute to a polished look, enhancing facial symmetry and serving as a focal point that ties together the entire makeup look for a harmonious finish. Blush and bronzer play vital roles in enhancing a mature face. Blush adds a youthful flush applied to the apples of the cheeks. Bronzer adds warmth and dimension, lightly dusted along the temples, cheekbones, and jawline. Together, they create a natural, radiant complexion, imparting a healthy glow and defining facial features. For mature skin tones, opt for blush shades in soft peach, rosy pink, or warm coral tones to add a natural flush. Choose bronzer shades with subtle golden undertones to add warmth without appearing too harsh. To achieve a youthful glow, smile and apply blush to the apples of the cheeks, blending upwards towards the temples for a lifted effect. Lightly dust bronzer along the high points of the face, forehead, cheekbones, and jawline to add warmth and dimension. Blend well for a seamless, radiant finish. Lip makeup. When selecting lip colors, consider your skin undertone and lip shape. For fair skin, opt for soft pinks and peachy tones. Medium skin tones complement berry shades and mauves. Deep skin tones look stunning with rich reds and deep berries. Setting makeup is crucial to prolong wear and prevent creasing. Setting powder and spray helps absorb excess oil, keeping makeup in place for longer. Here are 3 setting sprays and powders suitable for mature skin. Setting sprays: Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist 2, Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting 3, MAC Prep as Prime Fix. Setting powders: Winged Laura Mercier, Charlotte Tilbury 3 Hourglass. These setting sprays and powders are specifically formulated to prolong the wear of makeup while maintaining the natural radiance of mature skin, making them ideal choices for mature individuals looking for long-lasting and flattering makeup looks. For mature skin, opt for hydrating formulas. Blend gently to avoid emphasizing texture and embrace natural beauty. Confidence radiates from within, so wear your makeup with pride. Embrace your age with grace and celebrate the journey that has brought you to where you are today. You're beautiful at every stage of life. Embrace your natural beauty at every age. It's a reflection of your journey and experiences. Celebrate the unique features that make you who you are. Beauty transcends age. It's about confidence, kindness, and authenticity. Embrace the wisdom and grace that come with each passing year and let your inner beauty shine bright. Thank viewers for watching, and please subscribe for more beauty content.